Welcome back, students. Now, in the previous tutorial, we learned about the theoretical concepts of data modeling. We understood what actually entities are, what are the attributes, and what are the relationships that exist between them. Now, in this tutorial, we will learn that what are different type of relationships that are present in data modeling. So we will understand the relationships. There are basically three types of relationships that exist when we talk about databases or when we talk about data models. The first one is one-to-one relationship, the second one is one-to-many relationship, and the third one is many-to-many relationship. Now we will explain each of these relationship one by one. Talking about one-to-one relationship, a one-to-one relationship in a database occurs when each row in table 1 has only one related row in table 2. For example, a department may have only one head manager. A department cannot have multiple head managers. So we see here we have one department with one head manager. So it is a one-to-one relationship. Similarly, a student have only one class, or we can say a student belongs to only one class. A student cannot be in class 6 and class 7 at the same time. So here again we have one student and one class, so it is again a one-to-one relationship. So summarizing, we can say that one-to-one relationship exists in those cases where we have one entry in one table and one relating entry in the second table. The next type of relationship is many-to-many relationship. A many-to-many relationship occurs when multiple records in one table are related to multiple records in another table. For example, products and suppliers. One supplier may deliver one or many products, and at the same time, the company may order one product from one or many suppliers. So we see here we have a many to many relationship. We can have many suppliers in one table, we can have many products in the other table. So this is a one many to many relationship. The third and the final relationship is one to many relationship. A one to many relationship occurs when one record in table 1 is related to one or more records in table 2. However, one record in table 2 cannot be related to more than one record in table 1. So for example, a book has multiple pages. So we can see here we have one book with multiple pages. So here we have one to many relationship. Similarly, pupils in a class, we have class 8 for example, and there are 40 students. So for one class we have multiple students. So again it is a one to many relationship. Similarly, orders and the customer who place them. There will be one customer who can place multiple orders. So again it is a one to many relationship. So these are the most basic and most commonly used different types of relationships in data modeling and databases. In the next section, we will practically implement the data model in Power BI. So this is all for this video. See you in the next video.